Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about some practical ways that you can prevent most of your recyclable waste from going into your garbage bin and instead keeping it aside in a clean and dry way so that almost 100% of it can be recycled or it can be reused, organized and taken care of in a sustainable way. So here's an example of a shopping visit that I just did an hour ago. So we've come home with all these groceries and I think it's pretty obvious the amount of plastic that comes into our homes on a daily basis. Some of us even bring our vegetables in these plastic covers. Most of our containers, we have a lot of containers, we have a lot of cosmetics that we may buy. All of them are packaged in materials which need not get contaminated when you put it in the bin. So the best way to organize it is keep something like a bag or a box handy and locate it in an easy place in your home where you can begin to gather all these materials in a clean way. So an example here is, we got some cake from the bakery, so we've got this kind of a container. Just put it into this box. You can see here we've collected all these materials in the box. There are aluminum packages, there are sweet boxes, and particular importance is to be given to materials which are contaminated or I would say soiled with food. So like a milk bag, make sure you snip it properly so that the small plastic pieces don't end up getting separated. Then you can just wash this and rinse this in the kitchen sink and dry them, and all of them can be gathered together like this and then put in the box that you have kept aside for this material. So there are simple methods with which you can organize all these materials. So you see there are all types of containers here, like soap, there's Lay's packets, there is Maggi, there are these cardboard sort of packaging as well. Put all of them together, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that it's all kept clean. So this aluminum foils are also easily recycled when they are clean. So put it all together. Then you've got these restaurant containers, just rinse them, dry them and put them in. And really it's just that simple. When you organize all your materials like this in a clean and dry way and then hand it over to established recyclers or waste pickers, then your problem is solved, and you can be sure that all of these materials don't end up in a landfill and they get recycled. So we are going to be starting a lot of dry waste campaigns now from ProEarth. So we recommend that you begin to organize your waste like this, begin storing it, and then we will visit your society on a fixed date. We'll come with a vehicle, we'll make sure that all of this clean material gets organized, collected, and then sorted and recycled 100%. So you can depend on us in future, not just to organize your wet waste composting, but also to make sure that all recyclables are organized and in a responsible way recycled. So help us and call us for these collection camps, and we'd be glad to support you. And whatever happens, get started with these activities from today onwards, and you'll feel a sense of satisfaction for not contributing to the huge garbage dumps in the city. Thank you so much.